So my name's Avila. I'm the fire chief at Anderson Valley Fire Department. At this site, we're going to talk about fire behavior and controllability. A few things that come out immediately when I'm at this site is the density of fuels. We have a lot of fuels, small fuels, close to the ground, coming from our ground litter all the way up. Behind these trees and limbs, you can see some dead down fuel. A drone came down, took out a bunch of other trees on the way down, and put a lot of surface fuels down. It's all dead, dry, and very, it's going to put out a lot of heat if a fire comes through this area. This is challenging for firefighters. It's on steep terrain, so we're not going to really be able to bring equipment in here. So if someone was to come in here and do firefighting, it's probably going to be with hand tools or small things. But with the availability of potential heat in this area, there might be an area we just cannot achieve it. It's unsafe, not realistic to fight fire in here. So this area could put out a lot of heat. Very, very hard for firefighters to control, and we would not want to see a fire establish in here because of the potential that it would do, going uphill and into the trees and adjacent to it. So it has a lot of harsh impacts if it got into here and really got going, a lot of heat. So in this area, we'd want to reduce fuels and get rid of the stuff on the ground so that the fire doesn't have the ability to roll between each other or up. This is a prime example of what we would like to remove or try to see less of in the woods. Off to your right, downhill, was an area that was treated by hand, not by fire. And you can see a great distance in there. There is still fuel on the ground, but the amount of ladder fuels are non-existent or very minimal, and you would have much less potential. This is an excellent candidate to have prescribed fire in to clean up those surface fuels even further and make those fire suppression and controllability efforts more achievable.